you foxes out there, it's me, Foxy Chicken, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I have more shocking news. And by the way, I'm actually gonna upload this video to tomorrow. So yeah. Anyways, here's the thing. A few minutes, like a minute ago, literally a minute ago, I literally counted. I made a video about the news and the giant thunder block thing. Well, here's the thing. If I wait a minute. Get out. For some reason it doesn't let me get out. Okay, anyway. So anyway, if I even go right here. See, look. Wait, what? See, yeah, see, look. I didn't even touch it. And it just thunder-shotted me. For some reason I'm lagging For some reason, I'm lagging very hardly right now. So let me just... Really? Look, get it. No, get it. Okay. So, I was saying. So, I'm even going to show you. I'm not even joking. It's not like teleporting me right next to it. No. See, look. If I get near it a little bit, look at this. It just starts... See, look. Well, see? Not even touching it. But then, when I get out, it pushes me right under the map. Let me show you. Let me get out. If it'll let me out. Let me out. There we go. Whoa! What the? Oh, see look, I'm underneath it. Guys, I'm inside the block. Oh my goodness. I'm inside the block. Oh, I was inside the block. Whoa, okay, I'm inside of it again. I'm inside of the block. Okay, guys, if you wanted to know what it's like, I'm inside the rock. I mean, the thunder block. This is what it is like. Okay. I'm in it again. Okay, I'm in it again. What? Oh my goodness! This is such a breakthrough. Now you guys know what it's like inside the thunder block. And you know how to get underneath the surface of Fortnite. I can't. I don't know what to do. Like, I lost all my stuff from actually doing that glitch. This is gonna hurt me. Ouch. That hurt. How come it didn't hurt my shield? I wish it only hurts my shield. So anyways, guys. Now it's just a little thing that I wanted to show you guys. It's pretty crazy. And the last time I did it, which is not now, but the last time I did it, it swallowed up my car. So the car that you saw in my other video, yep, it's bye-bye. It went gone. It is just gone. Bye-bye. It's just a see you later now. It's just nuh-uh. It's just a big old no. I have no idea why I picked up those potions. So yeah, anyways. If you want to see more of that, I'll be more than happy to do it. Which I'm pretty sure you guys are like, oh yes, do it again. Since I want to make you guys happy, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Boom. So I'm gonna grab another car, which is over here. I was just messing around in the map. Here we go. And just get fully powered. And there. Okay. So I'm gonna do it again. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, it's super active now. Now let me get even closer. I think this is the closest I can get to it. Now, in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, okay, I'm inside of it again. Oh my goodness. Whoa, there's the car. Oh, oh, get out of it. Oh, it shot me. It destroyed me. Well, anyways, guys, let's check out if it swallowed up the car, just like it did the last time I went in there. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's stuck in there. Oh! Well, okay. I think this might actually be a glitch in the game. Okay. Let me see, guys, if I can get, oh, okay, if I could get right back into the car. Let's see. I really want to go back in that car. Don't push me. Oh, it pushed me. Ow. Now, why did that time it hurt me? Maybe if I go around it and go to the other side. Let's see. Don't you dare shoot me. Right. Oh! No! Okay. Now, if I do this one more time, I'll die. So, but I think I did see... Oh no. Well, it's now a fact that you can't go back in it. Well, I'm gonna try one more time, just for you guys, so you can have the joy of me going inside of there again, because, you know, I'm pretty sure that you guys really want to see me going in there again. So, yeah, let's just go back into it. But wait one sec. We gotta go get a car. Wherever it is. I need to get the car. Car? Where are you? Hey, is there a car over here? Nope. That's definitely... Oh. Well, at least we know that there's an ammo box down back here. Okay, anyways. Let's just go try to find a car. Should I... There's look just in there. I'm not gonna go in there though. Oh yeah, 4 minutes. Oh dear. We have 4 minutes. Oh my goodness. I just got an idea, guys. I just got an idea. I got a huge, big, weird idea. What if we wait until the storm comes and then we go right into it? I want to see what happens. Like, is it just normal and it just makes us hurt even more because, well, you know, bad. Anyway, I don't know. I have no idea. Please, is there a car here? Come on, there has to be a car in a car junk place. Do you guys know what I'm thinking? It's gonna be stupid. But let's see if it's a thing. What if we go in here and not get shot out like a piece of spaghetti? Why did I think of spaghetti? I have no idea why I thought of spaghetti by explosions. You know, how about like, I don't know, something like getting shot out of the thunder bomb, which is, never mind. You guys, yeah, just make fun of me because of that. But let's just see if the carts will still just stand it. Oh yes! Oh yeah, perfect timing. There we go. Whoa! Nice. Okay. No, why am I in there? No! Ouch. Yep, that was a big ouch. Oh, what the? Do you guys see that? Is it just me, or is my game very glitchy today? Is that normal? Doesn't count as me hitting it. Okay. That's a thing. That's apparently a thing in the game. Yeah. I think my game might be broken. I think I broke the game. Literally, I'm not even joking right now. I'm not. I don't even know if I did or not. Like, did I break the game? And was that a stupid jump? Yep, it was. Okay. I'm still weirded out. Like, what the heck is this? What is this? But you know what? Let's just run up there. There you go. There's all my stuff. I'm gonna grab it though. Let's see. Okay, guys. So let's see if a glitchy cart. Oh, it's still there. Let's see if the glitchy cart. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, perfect. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, let's get as close to it as we can. Okay. Let's jump out in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Okay. Oh, wait a minute, I almost forgot. Ah, no. We had to wait. We had to wait. Ah, poop. I forgot. Please don't say the cart's stuck in there, too. No. I think it just swallowed it. Poop. Oh, whatever. Let's just try it out with the car. But this, I'm not sure. Oh, hang on. Making a video. So anyways, guys, let's see what will happen. Let's see. There's no cart over here. Let's see. Oh, there's one over here. Okay, let's go grab it. Why am I so glitchy today? No. Okay, get out of here. There we go. I'm a bad driver today. Uh-oh. Oh, dear. Okay. Let's go now. Where the heck is the giant block thing? Oh, I know where it is. Okay, guys. This is the one chance that we can do this, or else I'll have to do it in a different video. Okay. So, this is a big chance. So, when the storm comes in, when the storm comes in, I'll jump out of the car. As you can see, it's coming close. So, what we're going to do is we're going to jump. L. In 3, 2, 1, and... You know, let's just not count. Let's just wait a little bit. Sorry guys, you can just skip through the video if you want. Anyway. Oh! I didn't even do anything! No! Well, ow, no! It just pushed me into the storm. Why did that happen? Well, that was weird, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smack the like button and the notification button if you want to see more of my videos, guys. So anyways, I will see you foxes next time. Bye-bye!